Dragon Master.
He's only the son of stoic ass. His heir to the throne of Earth. And the greatest dragon master this
Y no juego con más, si yo quiero que te juegues conmigo, pero que te guste más, tu prato, es que yo lo siento, que mantenerme en código, pero tú no sientes, te estoy preparando, y te siento, me te siento.
That's your mother?
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair. Oh, sorry, Dad.
Dragon Master.
Experiência, esculacha concorrência, game moleque. Vai, é DJ que vai, é DJ que vai.
Come to me, confess your love, at least just say, confess your love, at least say, confess your love, at so confess your love, at least say.
Save him. Playing dirty now, huh?
You asked for it. Looks like there might be a wedding after all.
Oh, how dare you! That is a low blow. Does anything you say make sense?
This is what you gave me last time I showed up empty-handed.
Stop!
This is the great Dragon Master.
Go on, bud. You'll be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me.
This wasn't a vicious beast, but an intelligent, gentle creature.
You are my best friend, bud. Go, Toothless. Go. You want to give this another shot? Toothless, it'll be fine. Ready? Hang on! Almost there, buddy. Almost there.
Every time I kiss you,